We are proud to present this excellent new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This Avalanche 1500 has a 5.3L V8 engine and an automatic transmission. This vehicle has a sheer silver metallic exterior and includes the following options: 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, 8-way power adjustable passenger seat, adjustable pedals, power, air conditioning with dual zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-dimming mirrors, electrochromatic, driver only, bed length, 63.3. Contact our internet sales staff today to schedule an appointment.